Hello everyone, welcome back to Crochetensmiles. Today I'm going to show you how to make this cute little bow. These are one of the easiest bows that you can make, and I'm going to show you how to make one. I'm using a yarn called Cotton Delight. These are from Ganga, and I'm also using a 4mm crochet hook. Start off by making a magic ring. If you're completely new, you can go back to my previous videos where I've shown how to make magic ring and also your basic stitches. Yes, lock the magic ring with a chain, and for our bow pattern we are going to be chaining 6 in the beginning. So I have one here already, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So that's your 6th chain in the beginning, and you're going to make double treble crochet. So I'll show you how to make a double treble crochet. You'll yarn over 3 times, 1, 2 and 3. Yarn over thrice, insert your hook into the circle, pull up a loop. You'll have 5 loops in your hook. Yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over the second 2, yarn over the third 2 and yarn over the final 2 loops. So that's how you make a double treble crochet. So let's do that once again. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over 3 times, insert your hook into the circle, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 and yarn over, pull through 2. So that's the second double treble crochet. So you're going to make let's make 6 double trebles. Okay, so we have chain 6, double trebles 4. We need 2 more, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and 1, 2, 3. Set your 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we now have 6 double trebles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After this we're going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 chain and put a slip stitch into the circle. To put a slip stitch, insert your hook, pull up the yarn and pull through the working loop. So that's a slip stitch. So half of your bow is done. Now we're going to work the other half of the bow. Chain 5, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and the same way put 6 double trebles into the circle. 2, 3. 1. You can adjust the size of the circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So you have chain 5 and then 6 double trebles, and you're going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Chain 5, put a slip stitch into the circle, chain 1, and you may cut this yarn off and leave a longer tail so that we can use it to wrap it around the circle. Pull it out. Okay, so that's the basic structure of the bow. You can close the magic ring and pull this end. Just make a knot on the wrong side. Make a knot like this and wrap it around the circle to give the shape of a bow. Yes, so wrap it around like this. Okay, right, so it's done. You can just make a knot once again. And you can use this yarn to attach it to your other projects, or else you can just cut this yarn off to get your bow. So that's it. You got yourself a beautiful and cute bow. Okay, so thank you for watching. Bye.